Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to get TikTok back after deleting the app. So, if you've deleted your TikTok account or the TikTok app just because it was banned and now you want to get back the TikTok app on your phone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel as this really helps us to grow. Now, for you to get back your TikTok account after deleting the app, there are a few steps you need to take because this application is no longer available in the US after it was banned, and now you still want to use it. Maybe after the 75 days ultimatum, then you want to switch back to TikTok and then use it again, just like I did here. Then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to App Store on your phone, then open it and unlock with your Face ID. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead, click on the profile icon at top right, then click on your profile name on the account, and then hang on. Once you hang on, this is going to open the account settings on your TikTok app. Then come to country and region, click on that, and then here under country and region, go ahead and click on change country or region. Then scroll through this page and select country that use TikTok. So here you can just scroll down and then select Canada. So just search through and then click on Canada. So TikTok is still available in Canada, so search through for Canada until you have access to it. Click on that. Then once you selected Canada under region or country, you need to agree to terms and conditions. Now, once you agree to this term and condition, here you'll be prompted to provide a credit card or paper or none. Now, the next thing is you need to provide a billing address. Now, since we selected Canada as the country or region, then we need to generate a random phone number for Canada, a random address, as well as a random postal code. Then go ahead, open a browser on your phone. So this could be Chrome and it could be Safari. Just go to google.com, search for random Canada address. Random Canada address. Then just pick a random Canada address from the search result. So I just come here, you should see on the sample, then copy this. Once you get the random Canada address, then go back to the App Store on your phone, then paste it. So just go ahead, paste it. You can see we pasted that. Then again, city. Just come here and type random Canada city name. So you can just come to here, pick on one of these Canada cities, then come back to the app, then paste whatever you have pasted, then again street, then postal code. So you just need to go again and here city name. So here paste the city name, Canada random Montreal postal code. So Montreal postal code, search for that. Then here you should go ahead and then copy the 6-digit postal code. So you can just copy this, then click on the copy button, go back to the app again. So you need to keep repeating this step by step so that you don't miss out something. So paste. So then delete the space. So this has to be 6 digits. So that is the first thing is the postal code. Is just come down here, you have each, then present code, paste like this. Then again, you still need to generate another random Canada phone number. So delete this and search for phone number. Then scroll down, it should say or get a random Canada phone number here. So just copy one of this phone number, go back to the App Store again, then paste the phone number. Paste. So then don't forget the country code is +1. So just put 1 here, and then once you're done with this filling, just go ahead and click on next. Then here, state or territory, optional. Then city, just come here and select your territory if available. Then here, let's say Montreal, Ontario, just select your city here and then good. Then once all this is selected and then you are good, just go ahead and click on the next button to set your region. Now, once you set your region, there is one more thing you need to do before you can get back TikTok after deleting the app. Then click on next. Now again, go back to the App Store. On the App Store, you want to search for a VPN. So you can use a random VPN, but I always prefer to use a secure VPN. Just go ahead, search for Pure VPN, or get the Pure VPN download link in the video description. Then go ahead, download it. So once you downloaded the Pure VPN, go ahead and open it. Now you want to select a country different from the United States. So in this case, just come to Netherlands, connect to that, or cancel this. Then come to this three dot at top right, select location, then choose your preferred location here. So since the address is Canadian address or Australian address, go ahead and select Canada. Your service will not be secure until we successfully connect you to another location. Click on yes. Then hang on. Once you are connected to this particular VPN, then you should say connected, then go ahead, exit this page. Now the final thing you want to do now to get back your TikTok account after deleting it is open the App Store again. Then go ahead and search for TikTok. Don't forget, if you're already connected to a VPN, so you will be able to see the TikTok application on the App Store based on the region you're connected to. Click on TikTok, then click on the get button. So this is because I have already installed the TikTok application using this similar approach. So just click on the get button, and once you click on the get button, go ahead and open the TikTok app. You see that? You see that? So that is exactly how to get back TikTok after deleting it. So this is my TikTok profile, and then I can now start using it. You see that? So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to give this video a like and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.